So we looked at vectors in the video. Let's look at some introduction to vectors. Vectors, these are quantities that have magnitude. So they have magnitude, let's say 20 newtons, that's a magnitude. They also have a direction. For example, let's call this side east. So they have a magnitude. They also have what we call direction. Now, how do you deal with vectors? Two vectors can be added, can be subtracted, can be multiplied, can also be divided. Let's say vector A is equal to 1, 2, and vector B is equal to 3, 2. Find AB, A plus B, sorry. So A plus B is equal to vector A, which is 1, 2, plus vector B, 3 over and 2. Vectors are written in form of matrices. So there's an arrow there to mean that it's a vector. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 2 is also 4. So this is A plus B. A plus B. Then vectors can also be multiplied. Let me say I have vector A, the same one, 1, 2. Then vector B is equal to 3 and 2. Then I say find vector AB. Now here we are multiplying. Therefore, this is how you answer them. Vector AB is equal to OB minus OA. Now OB, why am I including OB? They are now position vectors. They are starting from O. So let's call this A, let's call this one B. So they are all starting from the position O on the X or Y plane. So OB get 3 and 2 minus, and OA we get 1 and 2. Then we find the difference that will give us the vector AB. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is the product of vector A and B. The last thing that we look at is the magnitude of a vector. The magnitude of the vector is represented by these symbols. For example, if I say vector A is equal to 1, 2, and I say find this. This is the magnitude. The magnitude of a vector is equal to x squared plus y squared. This value here is x, and this value here is y. So what we're going to say is this: 1 squared plus 2 squared. To give us 1 plus 4, to give us the square root of what? 5. Now we don't know the square root of 5, so just say the square root of 5 units. Include units there. What if I say vector B is equal to 3 and 4? Find the magnitude of vector B. So it will be 3 squared plus 4 squared. That will give us 9 plus 16. That will give us 25. And the square root of 25 is 5. Then you include units. What of this one? A is equal to 1, 2, vector B. So these are vectors. Sorry. Find the magnitude of the product of vector AB. So step 1, you need to find AB. Step 1, you need to find the vector AB. So vector AB is equal to OB minus OA. So this is 4, 2 minus 1 and 2. And this will give you 3, then 0. So this is AB. Now since we know what AB is, then we can find the magnitude of AB, which we are using as x squared plus y squared. So let's go. So we have 3 here, then 0 as AB. So we are saying, sorry, magnitude of vector AB will be equal to the square root of 3 plus the square root of 0. This will give us 9. The square root of 9 is 3, then units.